Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 5 from Project Feasibility Analysis with the member of our group. The first one is Yusuf Putra Setyanto and myself Lutfi Anggito Wicaksono Aji. So the analysis of the feasibility of a project or business through the investment criteria approach. The first one is the result of the calculation of investment criteria are an indicator of the investment capital. The ratio between the total benefits received and the total cost incurred in the form of present value during the economic age. Estimated benefits or cash inflows are the estimated costs, or cash outflows is a control tool in controlling costs to make it easier to achieve business or project goals. Investment criteria that can be used are NPV, IRR, and PP. So the methods. The first one is NPV or net present value. NPV is represent the additional net benefit or net present value received by the project over the life of the project at the certain discount factor. So the formula of NPV is NPV equals the sum of BT minus CT over 1 plus I times T from I equals 1 until N, where NPV is net present value, BT is present value benefit, CT is present value cost, I is discount factor, and N is years or time. Indicators of NPV is where NPV greater than 0, then the project is feasible to be implemented. When NPV less than 0, the project is not feasible to be implemented. And when NPV equals 0, the project is in a PEP state. The next one is IRR, or internal rate of return. IRR represent internal rate of return, namely the ability of a project to generate returns with the units of percentage. If MPV is positive, then calculate NPV by increasing its discount factor. So the formula is IRR equals I1 plus NPV1 over NPV1 minus NPV2 times I2 minus I1 with the indicators when IRR greater than DF, then the project is feasible to be implemented, and when IRR less than DF, then the project is not feasible to be implemented. The third is payback period. Payback period represents the period required to pay back all costs incurred in investing a project. The indicator of payback period is the sooner the project's ability to return costs incurred in project investment, the better the project with time units. With the formula is PP equals I over AB, where PP is payback period, I equals investment, and AB is net benefits that are obtained each year.
And next we go to the example. Here, a large project produced the following estimated cost and benefit. The age of the project is 6 years, with discount factor is 10%. The cost incurred only in the first and second years are IDR 500 million and IDR 400 million respectively. The benefits received from year 3 to year 6 are, from the third year until the 6th year are 200 million, 300 million, 400 million, and 500 100 million respectively in Indonesian rupiah. Okay, we calculate the NPV on the net present value by using this using this table. Okay, we can see that from this table, the NPV is 100,2. So based on the NPV criteria, the project is able to produce a net present value for 6 years at discount factor 10% of 100,2 million Indonesian rupiah. So it is feasible to be implemented because the NPV is greater than 0. Okay, next. The internal rate of return. So we can see before that at discount factor 10%, the NPV is positive. Then for the next look for the NPV to be negative by increasing the discount factor, maximal is 5%. Okay, we can see here in discount factor 15%, the present value is negative 19,1. So we get the NPV at discount factor 10% is 100,6 and the NPV at discount factor 15% is negative 19,1. So because the NPV at the discount factor 15% is negative, then it starts to enter the IRR formula. Okay, we get that the IRR equals 10% plus 100,6 over 100,6 minus negative 19,1 times 15% minus 10%. We get 14,20%. The project's ability to produce a return of 14,20% is greater than 10%. So that the IR criteria for this project, based on the IRR, it is feasible to be implemented. The payback period, because the investment is 900 million Indonesian rupiah, the number of benefit from the third until fifth year reach the value of ADR 900 million, so that the payback period is equals 5 years. Okay, I think that's all from our group. Thank you very much for your attention. Maybe you can leave a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.